everybody. Today I'm going to take you into my home and show you a little bit about furniture refinishing. This piece here is an old piece I found. I like the piece. I like the old rustic furniture. I already did a little sanding just to show you a little bit about what's going on. Everything's dark wood like this. It's beat up. It needs a lot of work. So what we do as far as furniture refinishing, sand everything down smooth. When you sand, you got to be very cautious about what you use. Your sandpaper can make a big difference. We started off with an 80 grit to take all the heavy stuff off, and then we're going to resand it with a 120 grit. I might even go as high as 220, but this should be okay with 120. Okay, that's going to give it a smooth finish so that we're ready for staining. So now that you see a little bit about the difference in the wood before and after, we're going to move this project down onto my terrace, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the actual sanding. Let's show you a little bit about sanding. Sanding is 2 steps. For the flat surfaces, regular orbital sander works best. When you get into the curves or the shape of things, then you got to start using a sand sponge. I'll show you about that in a little bit. Sanding is very easy. You just turn the sander. Now notice how I was moving. Even though it's an orbital sander and it's going to rotate the pad, you still want to move in a circular motion because you don't want to do any gouges. You want to keep everything nice and smooth. Let's give you a close-up look at the effect of the sander. Now you can see here the difference for the both before and after. Nice smooth run on everything we sanded. We're going to give it additional sanding to make it smoother, but it's still pretty smooth already. Okay, so now when you get to detailed areas, as you see, you sanded the faces and you got the space in between. You don't want to use the orbital on that. If you use the orbital on that, you're going to start damaging the design. Use a hand sponge, or a sand sponge. Just take your time. It's going to be time consuming, but as you can see, it's starting to come out. With a little work, that's going to come around the edges. When you sand the insides, as you see, you get dark spots, if you can see it on camera. And those spots, you're going to have to go through with the sponge sander also. I have another tool that's a detail sander that will get into a lot of the corners. That's going to make it a little easier on me. Alright, we basically got everything sanded down nice. We took the door off. Let me show you the door. We sanded the door down. We're going to change the hinges on this. This piece here was just nailed in, so we took it out and made it a little convenient and got to sand it up real nice. We'll be done with the sanding on this within the hour. We're going to show you the final product apart so that in our next video we can show you how to finish it. And when you finish it, you want the pieces apart to get a better quality. Then we'll show you how to put it together. We're going to do this in a 3-part video. Just to reassemble, that'll help you with furniture repairs as opposed to refinishing. So, we're almost at a wrap. Let me get these little bits done and show you the final product. And we'll be right back. Alright, so So as you see, we got this all sanded down. I got this just sitting together for right now, just to show you the assembled look. Let's take a look. The door is all sanded inside and out. We got this piece here, I don't want to fall. Sanded nice. Even the drawer is pretty well sanded. I mean, we got a couple of rough spots we're going to touch up. The face, got everything pretty nice. The whole thing is finished inside and out. Now we're ready for staining. Remember, in video 3, we're going to show you how to put this piece in, installing the new hinges, and a few minor repairs, so that this way it'll help you with kind of like furniture repairs, minor ones at least. It's not going to help you do the major stuff. You might have to call someone like me, but for the minor one, you'll be on your way. So I think this looks pretty good now. Let's sit this on, get one final look. Give it a little bit of a turn so you get a different look at it. I think she looks pretty good. I think we're ready for staining and give it a nice clear coat. So watch out for the next video and follow along as we show you how to do that. Now that you got to see the sanding down and the prep work, next video you're going to get to see how to do the staining and the finishing. So as you see, it's not that hard to do. And I'd like to thank Karen, not, that didn't sound right, but I'd like to thank Karen anyway for helping out. She did a lot of work with the sanding. I couldn't have did myself. And just so you know, my little statue of Albert Einstein. You don't have to be an Einstein to refinish furniture. You just have to be careful about what you do. So, thanks Al for the little kick in at the end. Thank you Karen for the help. And I'll see you in the next video.